So it was around 2 a.m. when I started digging through GitHub, looking for interesting Android security tools. I discovered some surprisingly powerful tools that many people have never heard of. Before we begin, a quick disclaimer. The internet tool names mentioned in this video are publicly available and are being discussed for educational and authorized security testing purposes only. Always test on devices and applications you own or have permission to assess. The first tool is Medusa. Medusa is a modular framework designed for Android application testing. What makes it interesting is the large collection of ready-to-use modules that can help researchers analyze application behavior without spending hours writing custom scripts. Instead of manually performing repetitive tasks, you can automate many common testing activities and quickly gather useful information about an application. Next is Flutter. Flutter applications are becoming extremely popular, but analyzing them can be challenging. Flutter focuses specifically on Flutter apps and helps researchers understand how these applications work internally. If you've ever tried analyzing a Flutter application and felt frustrated by the lack of information available through traditional methods, this tool provides a different approach and can reveal valuable insights about the app's structure. The third tool is Quark Engine. Quark Engine is designed to analyze Android applications and identify potentially suspicious behavior. Instead of manually reviewing thousands of lines of code, the tool looks for patterns and indicators that may deserve closer investigation. It is particularly useful when dealing with large numbers of applications because it helps prioritize what should be reviewed first. Now let's talk about Inspecage. Inspecage provides visibility into how an Android application behaves while running. Researchers can observe application activity, inspect data, and better understand how different components interact with each other. This can be extremely useful when trying to learn how an application processes information behind the scenes. The fifth tool is APK Leaks. APK Leaks focuses on finding sensitive information that may have been accidentally included inside Android applications. Developers sometimes leave API keys, URLs, tokens, or configuration data within an application package. APK Leaks helps identify these findings quickly, making it useful for both security researchers and developers performing security reviews. Next up is APK Lab. APK Lab integrates Android reverse engineering workflows into a familiar development environment. Instead of constantly switching between multiple tools, researchers can perform many tasks from a single workspace. This streamlined workflow makes application analysis more convenient and efficient. The seventh tool is Objection. Objection is well known in the mobile security community because it simplifies runtime testing and application exploration. Many activities that would normally require extensive setup can be performed through easy-to-use commands. This makes it a valuable tool for learning and experimenting in authorized testing environments. Now we have Frida. Frida is one of the most powerful Android analysis tools available today. It allows researchers to observe and interact with applications while they are running. Because of its flexibility, Frida has become a foundation for many advanced mobile security workflows. If you've spent time exploring Android security projects on GitHub, you've probably seen Frida mentioned countless times. The ninth tool is MobSF. MobSF, or Mobile Security Framework, provides a comprehensive environment for mobile application security assessment. It combines multiple analysis techniques into a single platform and generates detailed reports that help researchers understand potential security issues more efficiently. For anyone interested in mobile application security, this is definitely a tool worth exploring. The final tool is AndroGuard. AndroGuard is a powerful framework for analyzing Android applications and examining their internal structure. Researchers use it to inspect application components, study code relationships, and gather detailed information about how an application is built. Despite being around for years, it remains a valuable resource for Android analysis. And those were 10 Android security tools I discovered while exploring GitHub at 2 a.m. Once again, use these tools responsibly and only on systems and applications you own or have explicit permission to test. If you enjoyed this video and want more content about hidden cybersecurity tools, ethical hacking resources, and GitHub discoveries, make sure to subscribe to the channel and turn on notifications.